Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and welcome to our talk show where we gathered students to give their opinions about some issues that we are facing these days. So today, I'm your moderator, Muhammad Najmi Shafi bin Jimie, with my two guests from Darul Quran, which is Arif, Hakim, and Fitri, Hazwan, to talk about our issues about the benefits of COVID-19 in perspective of Islam. So, we know COVID-19 has given us some serious issues in our daily life, especially in all around the world. And we can see all our leaders gathering up to work together as they want to break down the chain of the COVID-19 virus. So, in our talk show, we will talk about the benefits of COVID-19 in perspective of Islam. So, our first panelist will be Arif Hakim. He will talk about his opinion about the benefits of COVID-19 in perspective of Islam. So that I would like to call him. Arif, can you tell us about the benefits of COVID-19 in perspective of Islam?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Ahmad Taufik. Thank you to our moderator Muhammad Shafi bin Jimie. Okay, thank you also for giving me a good question. Okay, first of all, in my opinion, the benefits of COVID-19 in perspective of Islam is many, because let it learn. We can learn about the good value, the good things in COVID-19, which is about cleanliness. Yes, cleanliness, our self cleanliness. When the COVID-19 had been occurs in our world, it learn us to take care of about cleanliness. For example, it's about the food, the cleanliness of the food, because the virus of the COVID-19 came from the exotic food, the food that we eat. The people is like to eat the exotic food other than the good food, like the snake, the rat, and others. It is because the virus came from it. In Islam, the cleanliness is a part of iman, and that it is important. That is you must to take care of it. For example, the people can learn to prevent to cut the chain of the COVID-19, like we do the food practice to not spread the virus. It's like wash the food and vegetable before you eat, and then cook the food under with the recommend temperature. It's like you can kill the virus from spread. Yes, in Al-Quran also, in Al-Quran it has mentioned about the food, the halal food that we must eat, which is rich and fresh food lah. Just for example, in Surah Al-Mu'minun verses 51, it mentioned that it said, messengers, eat of that which is a good and do a good deed. I have knowledge of the things you do. This verse is let us to eat the halal food, and which is fresh and clean food lah.
Okay, thank you Arif Hakim for your opinion. So we can see how Islam show us about how important is our cleanliness in ourselves. So we also have heard some famous quote in Islam, which is an-nazafatu min al-iman, which means cleanliness is a part of our faith. So next, we have heard the opinion from Arif Hakim. So we want to hear the opinion from our second panelist, which is Fitri Hazwan. So Fitri, can you tell us your opinion about the benefits of COVID-19 in perspective of Islam?
Thank you, Moderator. My name is Fitri Hazwan bin Ruslan. From my opinion, the benefit of COVID-19 according to Islamic view is important to obey the leader. To prevent the COVID-19 from continuing to spread, we must obey the movement control order, which is issued by the government after the country hit by COVID-19. Current this movement control order, all the movement of the people are limited. For example, people cannot cross the state, and only the head of a family can go to the shop or the store to buy market or necessaries. Also, all the restaurants cannot allow customers to dine at their restaurants, and customers only can take away the food. In Quran, Allah said, which means Muslim should obey the commands of God, the messengers, and the command among leader of you. So, this verse show us the importance of obeying the commands of a good leader, which has many benefits. Next, one of the benefits COVID-19 that we can get from according to Islamic view is strengthen unity. Many people give support to the frontliners such as doctors, nurse, and police, which who had risked their life to help break the COVID-19 chain. It is because their risk of contracting COVID-19 infections is very high. So, many people provided assistance to all the frontliners like food, medical equipment, and money. In Quran, Allah said we must help each other in virtue and piety. Do not help another. No. This verse shows us that we must help people in need and sharing our money to others. So, in conclusion, I think we need to help each other so that the country will become more peace and strong, because strong country comes from united people. That's all from me.
So thank you, Fitri Hazwan, for your opinion. Such a good point from Fitri Hazwan. So we can see how strengthen our unity from supporting the frontliners and obeying our leader in order to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 can help us to prevent the spread of the viruses. So we can see all the points that we have heard from our panelists and had been told by Islam in many ways in the Quran, in the Hadith, and so we hope that our sharing can be useful for other people in the future, so that we can stop and prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. So thank you to our panelists, Fitri Hazwan, Arif Hakim, and thank you for our audience that have heard our talk show. And so that's all from me. Thank you very much, and hope we will see again each other. Thank you.